It's a little look inside the modern machine shop, sitting right next to old school. Banging it out. You're not going to want to stick your hand in there. All turret style, brownish sharp. Click, click, boom. We got some old school Swiss. Right, little gravity feeder working between the gang. Can't really tell. There we go. Now we're getting into bar loaders. All CNC control. Now you're working with a sub spindle. Got some drilling. Right. You come over here. You got the big boys. Putting them out. Right, up the back. Boom. What's going on in here? Right. Come on and grab on with the back. Right. Come on home, there's one. All racked, automatic feed and discharge. And we got another big guy right here. Running through, right, walking through the G-code, doing his thing, both sides, read numbers, same shit, same concept back here, right, working on the back, eject, going back to pick up, hold on, separate the piece, start over, right, some back drilling and stuff. So there you go, there's another gang style. 4 live tools on the top. Machine just does its thing. All day, all night. There you go. Boom. All right, racking a new bar. Pushing the bar forward. Back onto the material. Boom. Feed forward into the spindle and cut off and start over. We got one more 20 millimeter. So the material is through here on the spindle. See that moving around really fast. You don't want to put your hands in there either. Lots of parts. Chip conveyor all night into the pan, right? Full high pressure system, same concept in the back, sub spindle, automatic, all day, all night, right? over. Boom, both sides look at the same time. That's how you do it. Same thing. Reading through code and Cartesian coordinates. Same concept, full rack, all day, all night. Whoa, loud noises up in the machine shop. See you guys.